develop this technology that can make a radical impact. The safety benefits that autonomous driving brings, the efficiency benefits that it brings is phenomenal.
The project is a consortium of 9 partners. So you have industrial partners, you have universities, you have a law firm, you have a council, and they all work together to deliver the project. The main goal of the project is to deliver the autonomous driving software for the van, but also to deliver a simulation environment to test and validate the software in it before we start to do the physical demonstration and the physical testing.
Arrival is playing a critical role in the UK innovation and transport sector. And it's a great example of the UK's investment in collaborative R&D. I'm Lord Jerry Grimstone. I'm the Minister for Investment for the United Kingdom. RoboPilot received nearly £7 million of grant funding, and I do believe that by bringing together organisations from across technologies and cross skills and services, we can turn ideas into reality.
What you see here is the vehicle maneuvering and driving autonomously within the depot without having anyone behind the steering wheel. And the vehicle is actually replicating all the maneuvers that vans are doing on a daily basis within their depot environment. From a technical perspective, I would say that the 2 main innovations for autonomous vehicles are in the sensor area, which allows the vehicle to understand where it is in the environment, and the second one is in the software and in the decision-making process, which allows the vehicle to take action based on the knowledge that it has from all these sensors. In the context of Arrival, we're focusing on the software.
The innovation, it's putting all this technology into a van. We are using state-of-the-art hardware like LiDARs, cameras, ultrasonics, radars, using all that information in the van to make it aware of the environment. We are developing our own algorithms in-house that combined with this state-of-the-art hardware, it brings the autonomous driving to life. The software for the RoboPilot van, we have the autonomous driving system that we have developed in-house in Arrival. The first one is the brain of the system, which is known as autonomous driving controller. It will localize itself within the environment to understand what's going on around it, and it will produce a desired trajectory. The next step is the nervous system, which is the real-time motion controller, which has the current position of the van, it has the desired trajectory, and it will output the required commands to the steering and the torque and the wheels to make the van drive over that trajectory. Finally, we have the muscles and bones of the system, which is the driving control unit, which gets the commands from the real-time motion controller and activates the required activations on the van.
The big problem that this project's trying to solve is how do we do this in a safe and robust way that gives confidence to people driving the vehicles, it gives confidence to the public and other road users, and it gives confidence to regulators that what we're doing safely as well.
Well, we now have to mature this technology, and we're committed to ensuring regulation as an enabler of these new technologies. We've now asked the Law Commission to review transport legislation to support the safe deployment of automated vehicles.
The depot autonomy side, we know we can do that today, and that's in a controlled environment, and it's a great place to start with this technology. The great thing that we're doing is the tech that we're developing on RoboPilot can be deployed across our platform of vehicles. The bus, the van, the forthcoming Arrival car, all will be capable of having this technology deployed on them because it's done on a platform basis rather than on a specific vehicle.
Certainly as the Minister for Investment, there's nothing I like seeing better than the projects that are developed here being exported and picked up from around the world. And I hope this particular project is one of the great gifts that the UK does give to the world when it is implemented.
There's lots of work behind this. There's a huge team of developers, testers, integrators working, and it's a big success for us to be able to show this technology driving within the depot in autonomous mode.